In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create 3D animated videos with AI, similar to the one playing in the background, in just minutes. I will get straight to the point and guide you step by step, so stick around until the end of the video. The first thing you will need is to visit a website called DeepMotion. I have included a link in the bio. Once on the website, sign up. After signing up, click on the Get Started button. Next, go to the 3D Models menu on the left. Click on the Ready Player Me avatar generator to create your character. Select your character's gender. For this tutorial, I will choose male. Then, you can either upload a photo of yourself to make the character resemble you or use existing avatars. Once you've finished editing your character, click Next and name your character. Now, select the character you just created and click on Create Animation. Then upload the video footage you would like to turn into 3D. I am using a dancing video I downloaded from the internet. Adjust the length of your video if necessary, and then click Save. Oh, here is a quick reminder.
Please subscribe. For true greatness only lies in supporting others. Liking the video and subscribing is free and will only help me create more amazing tutorials like this in the future. Thank you for your support.
Next, enable face tracking button. Then, click on Video Output and enable MP4, select a solid green background, and disable the shadow. After that, click on Start Job. After a few minutes, your 3D video animation will be created. Click Download and select MP4 from the drop-down menu to download the MP4 version. Next, head over to Canva to create a video background for your video. Once in Canva, click on Videos to create a video template. Click on Elements and search for a suitable background video that matches your scene. After you finish editing, download it and go to your favorite video editor. For this tutorial, I used CapCut. Also, I downloaded music background for my video from a website called Mixkit, link in bio. Again, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That means the world to me. Once you've finished editing your video, export it, and here is the final result of the video.